for today's unboxing, we'll be unboxing this one. So it's the PASAK wheelset that we purchased online through Shopee. So this is one of the less expensive wheelset. So we will use this one for the road bike restoration that we painted a while back. So maybe I'll just drop the link description of the video for those who have not yet watched for the e-bike project soon. Okay, so let's open this up. So what's inside the box are the quick release sets and some extra spokes, and here. So this one is the rear. So the rear hub is already socket type, and it's quite light.
Just get it.
So this one is the front.
Yes, not muffled. Yes, not muffled. Sister. He's so big. I'm so yummy.
So just to give you a few details on the rim, so it's already uses a seal type bearings here. So it's already a seal bearing, no more little bearings inside. So this one is sealed and quite sturdy. Comes with this type of washer to protect the bearings. Same with the other side. Just like that. Just take some pictures of the bearing number later. Same goes with the rear. It also uses sealed bearings on the axle. So one thing I noticed is that the rims are not really aligned. So I would suggest to bring this one to the shop to have it trued or aligned properly. Okay.